During recent market swings, total futures liquidations reached up to $19 billion within just 24 hours. The issue isn't simply getting the direction wrong, but just as often liquidations arise from structural factors such as volatility amplification and liquidation cascades. So, what are institutions and pros doing differently? And how do they avoid these kinds of losses? Institutions and professional traders aren't necessarily better at predicting the market direction. Instead, they begin by clearly defining their maximum potential loss, and their main focus is often how unstable the market may become from here. Instability introduces uncertainty, and uncertainty carries a cost. As the cost of protection rises, pure directional bets become more expensive and structured strategies become more attractive. This is why options usage keeps growing amongst institutions. Options helps pros and institutions to predefine their maximum loss, trade volatility rather than pure direction, and use structure to reduce emotional and time-based risk. What's up guys, it's Jordan Crypt here with a special update on an incredible automated options platform, and today I'm going to explain why you should be using it and how you can get started. For options trading, I recommend using SignalPlus. It's a professional third-party platform that lets you manage assets across multiple exchanges in one place and automate options strategies. It offers several advanced features for crypto trading, especially for advanced traders. Number 1, smart dealing. SignalPlus streamlines the entire options trading process with smart dealing. It allows you to execute complex multi-leg strategies seamlessly, ensuring optimized pricing and smooth execution every time. Number 2, risk scenario. SignalPlus helps you monitor your entire portfolio in real time through in-depth scenario analysis. It provides detailed risk metrics including delta, vega, gamma, and theta, allowing you to clearly understand and manage your overall risk exposure. Number 3, block trade. SignalPlus supports large OTC block trades, allowing users to request competitive quotes and execute sizable trades with minimal market impact. They recently launched AXE, which is a more efficient matching mechanism for block trades. You can go to @SignalPlus_Web3 on X for more information. Number 4, advanced options analytics charts. SignalPlus provides institutional-grade analytics tools, including historical IV, volatility surface, IV versus RV, 7-day RV momentum, and more. AI Hint is integrated directly into the platform to help you interpret these charts more efficiently and extract key insights. Number 5, DDH, Dynamic Delta Hedging. This feature enables automatic dynamic delta hedging to help you stay ahead of market movements. It helps you keep your risk within a controlled range, so you don't have to worry as much about sudden market volatility. Sign up is straightforward using only an email and password. SignalPlus supports major exchanges including Bybit, Deribit, OKX, Binance, Bullish, and CoinCall. And there are currently some promotional offers available. Firstly, the first 50 users who register and bind their API will receive 5 USDT each. Users who complete at least one options trade before April 30th will enter a lucky draw and 40 winners will be selected, each receiving 20 USDT. Then, users who share their P&L in the group will be eligible, and the user with the highest P&L will win a 200 USDT reward. We recommend using Deribit or Bybit as your trusted exchange due to their high levels of security and good options liquidity. In the description is the SignalPlus link for our campaigns and a link for directions on how to bind your exchange API. Thanks to the versatility of options, you can essentially bet on any movement of the market or specific asset with accurate predefined risk. Through options, you can make money whether the underlying asset goes up or down or even sideways. Another attractive function of options is hedging. Think of it as an insurance policy. One cannot always be right about the future. Hence, options can be an inexpensive way to protect your investment against downturns. To help you better understand how it works, I will walk through 3 detailed examples based on real-life trading scenarios we frequently encounter. First scenario: if you already hold ETH spot and are concerned about a short-term downside move, you could buy a put option, which may cost less but protect you well. As you can see on the ETH options chain, ETH is currently trading around $2,274. And you think it might fall to around $2,075 within the remaining 18 hours of today. These are prices at the time of recording. However, you're not completely certain and want to protect yourself in case you're wrong. In that case, you could buy today's put option for a premium of only around $1.2. If ETH declines below $2,075, the put option will increase in value, allowing you to profit from the downside move and helping offset losses on your spot position. If ETH does not fall below $2,075, that's fine. Your maximum loss is limited to the $1.2 premium that you paid, which is relatively small. This helps hedge downside risk. Second scenario: if you're looking to buy BTC spot and believe the price will rise in the short term, but you don't have enough capital right now, you could consider buying a short-term call option. For example, BTC is currently trading at $73,978 at the time of recording, and you believe it could rise to $80,000 within the next 2 days. Instead of buying spot, you could purchase a call option for just a $25 premium. This is somewhat like a lotto ticket, a small cost for a potentially significant upside. If BTC does rise as you expected, the call option would increase substantially in value, allowing you to profit from the move above the strike price. If the price does not rise as expected, your maximum loss is limited to the $20 premium you paid. Third scenario is if you want to buy BTC spot and you have enough money now, but you are unsure about the best timing, or would prefer to enter at a lower effective price. Selling a put option could be a good strategy. Let's switch to a longer expiry period, such as the 25th of September 2026. As you can see, the premium is relatively high. BTC is currently trading around $75,000, and you think that the price could go up in the next 6 months. That said, no outcome is ever guaranteed. Even with strong conviction and a solid track record, market uncertainty remains. In such a situation, selling a put option with a strike price around $75,000 and collecting the premium of $10,655 could be a good option. If BTC declines and you are assigned, you would effectively buy Bitcoin at $75,000 minus the $10,655 premium, significantly lowering your entry cost, now $64,345. If BTC instead rises as you expect and the put expires worthless, you simply keep the $10,655 premium as profit. Still not bad, right? Compared to buying spots at $75,000 today, this strategy either allows you to enter at a lower effective price or earn a premium income while waiting. This can generate income while reducing your entry cost. Now that you understand what options are and how to use calls and puts in common scenarios, let's take it a step further. Let's look at how institutions and professional traders use option strategies to generate returns while protecting capital and managing risk more effectively. I'll introduce 2 commonly used spread strategies, the bull call spread and the bear put spread. In short, a bull call spread is a strategy which is bullish with controlled risk as it has a limited max loss, and this is best for traders who don't want to go all in. And a bear put spread, which is defensive and bearish, is cheaper than naked puts and is best for hedging. First, click Smart Dealing on the left sidebar. Then select a specific strategy at the top. There are several default strategies available for reference. The strategy can be generated automatically with just one click. You can view the premium in the top right corner and check the P&L chart in the bottom right corner. Now, let us build up a bull call spread for the end of May. First, we buy one call at a lower strike price. Then for the second leg, we sell one call at a higher strike price. You might be wondering why we use this strategy instead of simply buying a call option. The reason is simple. It's more cost efficient. By selling the higher strike call, you reduce the overall premium paid, which lowers your upfront cost when expressing a bullish view. As you can see in the top right corner, the total cost of this strategy is around $500, whereas buying a single call would cost you around $5,900. This strategy reduces your capital outflow by around $5,400. Another useful feature is the balanced trade function, which allows you to split your order into smaller pieces while executing both legs as a combination. Why is this important? If you execute the two legs separately and only one side gets filled, you may be exposed to directional risk. For example, if your short call gets filled but your long call does not, and the market suddenly rises, you could face significant losses from the uncovered short position. With balanced trade mode, you can divide the strategy into smaller portions, for example, 10 pieces, where each piece consists of buying 0.1 call and selling 0.1 call simultaneously. This approach reduces execution risk, minimizes temporary directional exposure, and provides better control during volatile market conditions. Uncertainty is one of the most challenging factors in trading. Trading options is not to eliminate uncertainty, but to compress it into a manageable range. Building an options strategy might seem complex at first, but don't worry, the visualized P&L chart makes it much easier to understand. As you can see on the SignalPlus trading page, it is very straightforward. You begin to lose money if the Bitcoin price falls below 74,100 at the date of expiry. Your maximum profit is around $490, and your maximum loss is around $505. This clear payoff visualization helps you immediately understand where your break-even point is, your maximum gain and loss, and how the strategy performs before and at expiry. SignalPlus makes options trading far more intuitive and accessible. With this transparent P&L display, you always know exactly where you stand, which is why I highly recommend this trading tool. As for the bear put spread, the structure is very similar to the bull call spread. The key difference is that the strategy is used when you expect the market to move downward rather than upward. It can also be easily constructed on the SignalPlus platform. And again, the P&L chart clearly shows you that you profit when the market declines while your maximum loss remains limited. Options is fascinating because it emphasizes balance. The goal isn't to win big, but to avoid losing big. On SignalPlus, you can easily build different strategies to match your market outlook and trading objectives. Just give it a try and you'll see how simple it is. And if you'd like to receive the option strategy map I have been showing, simply join the group to get the high-definition full version. As a professional-grade trading terminal, SignalPlus also provides more than 18 volatility charts designed specifically for advanced options traders. Like the chart called Historical IV Expiry, it allows you to clearly visualize how implied volatility is structured across different expirations. As you can see here, long-dated IV is currently lower than short-dated IV. These are insights you simply cannot see from price charts alone. Whether you trade directionally or focus on volatility strategies, this feature helps you quickly understand the overall volatility structure of the market. And what makes it even more user-friendly is that you don't need to search online and analyze everything manually. Simply click the AI hint in the top right corner of each chart, and the AI will automatically interpret the key indicators for you in real time, providing structured analysis and actionable insights. The problem many traders face today is not a lack of information, but an overload of it. Information that is fragmented and scattered, making it difficult to identify which variables truly matter. As a result, trading decisions often end up being driven by emotion rather than structured analysis. This is exactly the problem that SignalPlus's deep research AI feature is designed to solve, and I'd like to share it with you. The system breaks analysis down into 5 core dimensions: helping users build a complete analytical framework. Macroeconomic research report, spot report, media research report, options position report, and social media report. In my view, one of its greatest strengths, and I use often, is position analysis. Simply connect your exchange API and the AI can perform targeted analysis based on your actual portfolio positions. This includes, but is not limited to, technical structured analysis, potential trade signal identification, and position risk assessment. You can also interact directly with the AI on the right-hand side. For example, you can ask, is my current portfolio risk too high? And it will provide an analytical response based on multi-dimensional data, helping you make more rational and informed decisions. I highly recommend giving it a try. You'll quickly discover how powerful it is. The market is entering a phase of elevated volatility, frequent event-driven risk, macro-influenced price moves, and increasingly difficult directional calls. Being right in direction does not always mean making money. Due to heavy volatility, surviving isn't just about being conservative, it's about trading like a professional. So be sure to check out all of the important links in the description below and start elevating your trading now. For options, spot, and futures trading, remember, trade on SignalPlus.